In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up an external Steam game drive. We'll walk through connecting your drive, updating Steam, adding the drive to your Steam storage, and choosing it during game installs. Follow along and you'll be ready to install and play games from external storage with confidence. Start by connecting your external drive to your computer and making sure it mounts properly. You should see it appear in your File Explorer and it should have enough free space for the games you plan to install. For smoother performance, use a fast connection like USB 3.0 or USB-C, and keep the drive connected directly to your machine if possible. If the drive doesn't show up, try a different port or cable and confirm the drive is powered if it uses an external adapter. Next, update Steam to the latest version to prevent any compatibility issues. You can do this from within the Steam app by checking for updates, or by downloading the latest installer from the official site. Keeping Steam current ensures the storage interface and features work as expected. If you want to avoid recognition problems when you reconnect the drive later, you can optionally assign a fixed drive letter using disk management. This helps Steam consistently find the same location every time you plug the drive back in. It's not mandatory, but it's a reliable quality of life step if you move the drive between ports or machines. Now, launch Steam and log into your account. Click Steam in the top left corner, then select Settings. In the Settings window, navigate to the Storage section. If you're using an older interface, go to Downloads, then Steam Library folders. You'll see your current storage locations here. At the top of the Storage section, open the drop-down and choose Add Drive. Select your external drive from the list. If you're prompted to pick a folder, go ahead and choose one. Steam can create a library folder automatically. Confirm your selection, and you should now see the external drive listed among your Steam storage locations. This means it's ready to receive new installations. When installing a game, simply pick the external drive from the installation location drop-down. You can choose the external drive on a per-game basis, so you're always in control of where each title goes. For best results, avoid unplugging the drive while downloading or playing, and keep Steam closed before disconnecting it. That's it for setting up an external Steam game drive. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like these.